These are one of my more tech gadgets. This is the external 2.5-inch to 3.5-inch SATA docking station. I use these a lot when I need to slave the a drive that's non-operational. So when I need to clean it up with viruses and stuff like that, I will stick it in here because they, I don't want it to start up by physically connecting it to my computer. So usually I stick it in here. They also, if someone's looking to back up their stuff, I might give them this, show them this, and they can use it to put their hard drive. That's everything that's inside. Okay, let's open it up. This is everything inside the box. This is the actual device, the docking. It's pretty heavy. It's made of plastic, and it feels really good. I think I got this at one of their daily deals from Amazon, and it was a good price. And I use these all the time. I do scanning of photos, and I need to sometimes store it on hard drives of persons I'm scanning photos for. So this allows me to put it on, throw it in their hard drive, and then they go home and put it in their computer, and all their pictures and home movies are on there. On and off button. I guess this is a light indicator. It says 6 gigabits per second, SATA 3.0. Liztek, I don't know the name of it. And this is the back. This is the side, the bottom. There's the power cable. So just in case you lose it, here's it up close so you can get more information if you need to replace this power cable. Okay, and let's measure the cable length. It's about 56 inches. The USB 3.0 cable, nice and thin. I like nice and thin. And 43 inches. And finally, a hard drive. Perfect. Look at that. You can even leave it there permanently. I guess you could strap it down with a Velcro or something and leave it permanent. It's really heavy. I mean, wow. Not even the hard drive, just this device. It seems really well made. It's really heavy. All right, let's try it out, see how it works. Okay, let me connect this up to my computer. Okay, I turn it on by pressing this button. Oh, there it goes. Okay. Press it down nice and hard, it stays down. Now it's turning on, and it should, there it is. Finding, oh, no, that's the network drive. Let me make sure it comes out. Okay, so it's telling me to scan it. It just found issues. I shouldn't have anything on it anyway. This is, I bought it on eBay. So it's scanning. Okay, it works. Everything came up. This is a, this is USB 3.0. So I'm gonna just assume it works that way. It's a regular common dock. I'm not gonna do any speed test or anything. I'm just looking for it to work. And it comes up. Hold on 1 minute. This never came off. So again, it works. and I'm going to be using it to transfer data for people who, you know, because I scan pictures and do. This will help me transfer people's videos and stuff, and you know, it'll be a good thing to and easier to transfer their videos, and they can just mount this to their computer if anything. And again, it comes up over here. Here it is, and it works. The transfer is good. Let me just copy and paste some files. So let me just copy some random files. Very simple. That's it. It works. That's all that matters. Alright, thumbs up on this device. Working just fine. Alright, I hope the video helps. Thank you. Bye.